Tony,
What, Frank?
we have a new family member.
Really?
Absolutely.
What is it? What
well,
is it?
You remember the Beast?
I do.
You remember the Intimidator?
Yeah, that's what I had on my bike, the Intimidator.
Well, now we have the Intimidator PLUS.
Oh, no.
Check it out.
Beautiful. Looks just like you, Frank.
Look at this baby. Look at this baby.
Oh, my
Can
gosh.
you look at the design?
That's
New
beautiful.
design, new technology, one of the only speakers that have a waterproof horn. Okay, that's pretty important when you're riding down the road and it's, of course, raining. These come in 6x9s, 6.5s, 8-inch. While Tony was out talking to somebody outside, I upgraded his bike. He had an Intimidator. You know what he's got now? He's got the Plus. So when we talk about the Intimidator, we talk Plus. Hey, Cycle Audio, I'm coming in for the Plus. That's what we're calling it, okay? So you want to listen up?
So
Tony,
it's in my bike now?
it's in your bike right now. While you were out yakking, I was working.
You're amazing. I thought you just sat around all day.
Hold on a second. Say that again.
I love you.
You're amazing.
You're
Thank you.
amazing.
Okay,
I
thank you.
told you how handsome you are today.
Well, leave that part out.
Let's
crank it up, Tom.
Holy moly, that is crazy. That is crazy.
Crazy sound. Only here at Daytona Cycle Audio.
Where?
Daytona Cycle Audio.
Come see us.
Come see us.